As we go deeper into the athletic season in this an Olympic year, we likely will hear the question being asked again. How did this little island of Jamaica produce so many world and Olympic champions, world record holders, and world beaters in the sport of track and field? And again, they will get a wide range of answers. But again though, one of the main reasons is manifesting itself in what we saw in the just concluded National Primary School Athletics Championships. The level of passion and enthusiasm, the honing of the competitive skills in representing their schools. And this is replicated year after year with different generations of youngsters at this same age group. Some of them will matriculate to the high school system where they will graduate into competing in the greatest high school championships in the world, champs. Now, when the best of the best emerge from that consistent perennial journey, I put it to you that the odd world and Olympic champion and world beater will emerge from these shores.